Is there anything more frustrating than trying to pay for something with Mamo, only to be hit with a request for documentation? You've got your card ready, the item in your cart, and then boom, a digital roadblock. Why does this happen? What's the deal with Mamo wanting to see proof for some transactions, and not others? If you've ever found yourself asking these questions, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Mamo's payment processing to uncover the real reasons behind those frustrating documentation requests. We've all been there. You're making a significant purchase, maybe a new piece of tech or a flight ticket, and suddenly Mamo asks for more. It might seem like an unnecessary hassle, but from their perspective, it's a crucial part of keeping the platform safe and secure for everyone. At its core, Mamo, like any other financial service, operates under a strict set of regulations designed to combat fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. These rules, often set by international bodies, require them to monitor transactions and, in some cases, verify the identity and legitimacy of the payment. Think of it as a digital safety net. When a transaction triggers certain flags, which could be due to a large sum of money, a new merchant, or even a different country of origin, Mamo's automated systems get a little nervous. These systems are designed to identify patterns that might indicate a fraudulent attempt. For example, a sudden, unusually large transaction on an account that typically makes smaller purchases could be a red flag. Or, a purchase from a location that doesn't match your usual activity could also trigger a review. These aren't personal attacks, they're security protocols in action. The documentation they request isn't just for show. It's their way of confirming that you, the legitimate account holder, are indeed the one making the purchase. This could include a copy of your ID, a proof of address, or even a screenshot of the transaction details from your bank. By providing this information, you are essentially helping them verify the transaction's authenticity and ensuring that your account isn't being used by someone else. It's a layer of protection for you as much as it is for them. Now, you might be thinking, but why me? My friend buys stuff all the time and never gets asked for documentation. That's because the triggers are highly specific and often depend on a combination of factors. Your transaction history, the merchant's location, the amount, and even the type of goods or services being purchased can all play a role. A low-value purchase from a well-known, reputable merchant is far less likely to be flagged than a high-value transaction from a new or unfamiliar online store. Mamo's goal isn't to inconvenience you, it's to create a secure environment where your money and data are protected. They're constantly balancing user experience with security, and sometimes, for the sake of that security, a little extra verification is necessary. While it can be annoying in the moment, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with a protected financial platform. So, the next time Mamo asks for documentation, remember that it's not a personal affront, it's a sign that their sophisticated systems are working to keep you and your money safe from potential threats. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.